How to return 0 with divide by 0. I'm trying to perform an element-wise divide in Python, but if a 0 is encountered, I need the quotient to just be 0. For example, I could always just use a for loop through my data, but to really utilize numpy's optimizations, I need the divide function to return 0 upon divide by 0 errors instead of ignoring the error. Unless I'm missing something, it doesn't seem numpy.setErr can return values upon errors. Does anyone have any other suggestions on how I could get the best out of numpy while setting my own divide by 0 error handling?
Try doing it in 2 steps. Division first, then replace. The numpy.err state line is optional and just prevents numpy from telling you about the error of dividing by 0, since you're already intending to do so and handling that case.
Building on the other answers, and improving on 0/0 handling by adding invalid equals, ignore, to numpy.err state. Introducing numpy.nan_to_number to convert np.nan to 0. Code. Output.
Building on it, Frank Dernancourt's answer, fixing -1/0 and my bug on scalars.
In numpy v 1.7+, you can take advantage of the where option for your funcs. You can do things in one line and you don't have to deal with the error state context manager. In this case, it does the divide calculation anywhere where b does not equal 0. When b does equal 0, then it remains unchanged from whatever value you originally gave it in that argument.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.